Hi everyone! From now, we are going to introduce many things about Japan. This is Aaron from India. He will be going to elementary school in Japan from April this year. He is very excited for his first school experience in Japan. Nice to meet you. I'm Aaron. Like Aaron, for everyone who is going to school for the first time, we are going to introduce Japanese elementary school life to everyone. Are you ready, Aaron-kun?
Yes!
Today, we will learn about how to count ears. In Japan, when you count numbers, you add sai to the numbers. 1歳、2歳、3歳、4歳、5歳、6歳、7歳、8歳、9歳、10歳。Let's practice again. 1歳、2歳、3歳、4歳、5歳、6歳、7歳、8歳、9歳、10歳。First grade students in elementary school are 6歳to 7歳 years old. How old are you, Aryan-kun?
I am 8歳.
Yes, great job. Aryan is 8歳, so he will be a second grade student in elementary school. Let's say, あなたは何歳ですか? to ask the age of others. Let's ask, あなたは何歳ですか? Let's say it together. あなたは何歳ですか? You go to elementary school for 6 years in Japan. Let's learn about how to say grades. 1年生、2年生、3年生、4年生、5年生、6年生。After that, you become a 中学生. You are a 中学生 for 3 years. After that, you become a 高校生. You are a 高校生 for 3 years as well. When you enter school, you are divided into classes. 1組、2組、3組、4組。Like this, there is 組 after the numbers. アリアン君、何年何組 are you? You answer 2年3組です。Now, let's talk about getting ready for school. In Japanese schools, you use a firm bag called ランドセル made of leather to school every day. There are many boys that use black and girls that use red for ランドセル, but recently there are many colored ランドセル on sale. What color did you choose for your ランドセル, Aryan-kun?
I was torn between many colors, but I chose blue.
In your ランドセル, you put things in like the 教科書 you're going to use that day, ノート, pencil cases that have pencils and erasers, 鉛筆入れ, 下敷き. You check what you need to bring by looking at the schedule of your 1 week. 時間割 is something that has your school schedule for the week. What you do in the first hour of school changes every day. There are many school subjects. When you're a first and second grade student, you study 国語 and 算数. In 国語, you learn how to read and write Japanese. In 算数, you learn addition, subtraction, and multiplication. You also learn some shapes. Other than that, there is 体育, 図工, and 道徳. From third grade, there is 理科 and 社会. It isn't used in other countries, but in Japan, 下敷き is used. You put a 下敷き in the next page of your notebook to prevent the things you write be transferred to the next page. In addition, to take contact about the next day's events, you bring a 連絡帳 as well. 連絡帳 is for your teacher to take communication with the people in your home and with your people in your home to your teacher. Other than that, you take your 上履き, 体操着, テーブルクロス in your bag and bring it to school. Recently, there are many kids who put a 防犯ブザー on their bag. When you go to and back from school, if a stranger comes close, this will have a loud noise. Other than this, you put your name on everything that you have. There are many kids at school, so there are many things lost, and this is in order to find who lost this. Aryan-kun, did you check your 時間割 and get ready for school?
Yes!